इस वीडियो को
Sunlight
देखिए जरा।
dapples the jungle floor, where humidity hangs thick and the jungle pulses with life. A green frog waits motionlessly on the damp earth, a sentinel amid the symphony of chirping crickets. The rustling of leaves in the distance hints at a predator drawing near, disrupting the quiet stillness. In the heart of the jungle, a brown snake glides silently through the undergrowth, a predator unseen. Its gaze is fixed, its movements precise, as it closes in on its unsuspecting prey. The frog basks, oblivious, as the rustling grows louder, signaling imminent danger. In the heart of the jungle, a frog's eyes snap open, detecting mortal danger. A piercing scream shatters the jungle's tranquility as the snake strikes. The frog's desperate struggle ends as the jungle reclaims its silence. A large snake hiding in the grass suddenly attacks a frog. The frog cries loudly, screaming as it tries to escape, but the snake coils around it. Realistic voice effects of the frog screaming and the snake hissing make the video feel natural and original.